With more than 50 years of manufacturing experience between these walls, this is where our journey begins. Entering LGMG Super Factory, the world's leading manufacturing hub for mobile elevating work platforms. Continue to expand the factory and improve the production system, from raw material cutting, welding, printing, and eventually to the assembly of scissors, boom lifts, and after-sales support. No components go into the production door without the rigorous reliability testing. Products include MEWPs, mining machinery, special machinery, and others. LGMG prides itself on its state-of-the-art LPS production processes and manufacturing equipment, as well as its experienced workers and on-site management. By utilizing mixed line, continuous flow production, and flexible assembly processes, helps to boost production capacity, improve efficiency, and reduces costs. Quality remains paramount through the use of technology. Automated equipment, digital controls, and unmanned operations, along with industry-leading testing equipment for accurate controls of quality, have ensured we can continuously improve our accuracy and efficiency. LGMG is committed to creating a smart factory and achieving a highly flexible production line by continually switching the products being manufactured. Export-oriented production lines ensure that LGMG can meet the standard requirements of different countries. One-stop testing is used to ensure product consistency. Through these processes, LGMG is dedicated to achieving high-end manufacturing for its machines. An intelligent error-proof system ensures that key parts and machines are qualified during the assembly process. We raise boom lift and RT scissor lifts condition up to design requirements. LGMG's global sales network covers more than 30 countries. We operate a dynamically managed spare parts warehouse with intelligent sorting, which ensures quick delivery via global logistics sites. A strict inspection of the machine before shipment ensures zero factory defects. We promote localized services to ensure our mission to be the MEWP manufacturer who puts service first. Fulfilling its commitment, LGMG forges ahead and creates greater value for global customers. LGMG, reliability in action.